Yeah, I've been accompanied and security escorted since I came to Pakistan. That's 11 days ago, and in all the regions, you know, everybody did their best and took really good care of me and escorted me safely so far until here. Yeah, I mean, due to the military escort, but also besides the escort, I felt no danger, no threat. I feel this is a super safe country. I feel very comfortable here, very welcomed, taken care of, and invited everywhere I stop. So it's really a beautiful country to visit, and there's no issues so far that you know I can feel.